What is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon lang ulit nakapag-unbox at meron tayo dito, mabilisan lang, the Anta PG7. So this is for my wife kasi nasa running era na siya. Ayan. So look at that. Yan. Kasi binili niya ako dati ng PG7 Travel Pro, I think. Ayan, sorry. You know, sobrang crisp ng kulay. Sobrang how do you say this? Classy. This thick sole here helps you in your running and even in your walking exercises. So ever since I bought the PG7 variant for Anta, ang dami na lang nilabas na. We bought this at the Manila Bay. It's around 3,900. And for someone who's starting with their running era, I would highly suggest you go into this. Actually, meron na siyang mga expensive na variant. Nagulat ako, nagkaroon na siya ng around 8,000 na variant. So, ayun, kasi marami nang bumili. And marami nang nagpapaka-healthy lifestyle. So, this one's a Women's 7.5. Ayan, titinan yung design here. May mga parang kapangyarihan. Di ko alam kung ano yan. And this is the rear view. Sabi ni Mrs. i-unbox ko na kasi gagamitin niya. Ayan. Oh, this is 8.5 kasi nga medyo masikip yung sa paa. Gusto ni Mrs. medyo wide siya. So, ayan. And ay long overdue na rin. Nabibilang ko siya ng PG7, sabi ko, kasi sobrang worth it siya. Sobrang nakaka-help siya sa pagtakbo mo. So, yun lang. Ito yung actual look niya. She chose the cream white and white over cream. Ang kulay nito. This is the PG7. Wala siyang pangalan, pero it says here, the store owner, the store clerk said PG7 float. So, yun, diba? Sobrang ganda. Yun lang guys. Thank you.